Hi, my name is Miguel Salas. I'm from Ama Fairview and today I'm going to show you Activity 5-5 entitled Managing File and Folder Permissions. This is for our final project in CSI-10. Our objective is to configure a new folder with unique NTFS security settings. In this activity, we will create a new folder called Marketing Documents on an NTFS formatted partition created in an earlier exercise. The default permissions are removed and replaced with permissions that allow only your user account to access the folder. You will create a file in the folder and investigate its resulting inherited permissions. So if necessary, start your computer and log on. Then, click the Start button and click Computer. In the left pane, click Data Volume 1. Create a new folder called Marketing Documents in 8. Right-click the Marketing Documents folder and click Properties in the pop-up menu. Click the Security tab. Click the Advanced button on the Security tab. Click the Effective Permission tab. Click the Select button to open the Select User or Group window. Type your username, click Check Names to verify the name and click OK to continue. On the Effective Permission tab, notice which individual NTFS permissions have a checkmark next to them. You have all available permissions because your account is a local administrator. Click the Owner tab. Note the current owner of the folder. Your account is the owner of the folder because you created it. Click the Permissions tab. Click the Change Permissions button to open a new window that allows you to change the folder's permission. Clear the checkbox next to Include Inherited Permissions from the object's parent. In the Windows Security Warning dialog, click the Remove button to start with blank security settings for the Marketing Documents folder. Click the Add button in the Advanced Security Settings for Marketing Documents window to open Select User or Group window. Enter your username, click Check Names to verify the name, and click OK to continue. In the Allow column, place a check next to Full Control Permission. Note that all other individual permissions are automatically assigned and that the permission scope is set to this folder, subfolder, and files. Click OK to continue. Note the new permission entry on the Permissions tab in the Advanced Security window Notice that the inherited from column shows as not inherited for the directly assigned permission. Click OK twice to close both Advanced Security Setting for Marketing Documents windows. Notice the new permission setting and the simpler view on the Security tab of the folder's properties. Click OK to close the Marketing Documents Properties windows. Create a new text document called First Quarter Report .text in the Marketing Documents folder. Right-click First Quarter Report .text. Click Properties and click the Security tab. Notice that the permissions from the Marketing Documents folder are inherited by this file. Click Cancel and close Windows Explorer.